little treat coming through the mail, and hopefully end up getting one, getting more than one, like one. Wait, what? Hey guys, welcome back to Hely Handmade. Today we are doing something that I am extremely excited about, and that is unboxing my first Papergang subscription. Yeah, that's the right word. My first Papergang subscription box. I'm excited about this. People that know me will know I have a slight obsession with stationery, and that is what is going to be in this box. So it's like the perfect subscription box for myself, really. Give myself a little treat every month. New stationery. I'm very excited. So I'm going to open this with you very soon. Oh, I just love it. It's rose gold on the front. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. But yes, so I received this today. So we're going to open this up and see what we've got inside. Oh, it's got one of those pull tabs on the front that I can't pull. Come on. Got it. Oh, let's open it up. Oh, it's pretty. What does it say in here? So, how Papergang works. But where do we start? So we wink up, we think up, fun ideas for a new Papergang box. An illustrator creates the designs for it. Their creations are brought to life in a form of stationery, and you get a full box of stationery every month. So for every four boxes we sell, we plant one tree. Oh, that's nice. Got to have more stationery somewhere. So let's have a look at what is inside. Oh, I see good stuff already. I see good stuff. Oh. Okay. So the first thing I see... I don't even know where to put this box. Right. Stay. I have these really cute, if I can hold them properly. They're like little stamps. Oh, they're so cute. Oh. Zelda, do you want a stamp? Okay, she doesn't want a stamp on her. Bit rude. I tried to get them to pour in Luke's birthday card, but they wouldn't leave me a stamp because they're rude, so I had to draw their paw prints in. Oh, I'm so excited. So that was these are the first three items we've got. They are cute. I like those. Right, put those down. Then, then they've given us a little ink pad, obviously full of stamps to block them in. Oh, that's alright. I thought we'd almost finished. I was like, that can't be it, can it? No, there's more stuff in this box. Oh, there's some washi tape, and if you can see it, it's got like the different stages of the moon and things. I think it's, yeah, is it different stages of the moon? It is, yeah. It's the different stages of the moon going round. Oh, I love that. That's my other obsession. Space. I love it. What have we got next? What's that? Oh, it says Papergang. Ah, okay, that tells me about the creator in that, so I'll leave that there. Oh, there's a little card. All your wishes will come true. Oh, that's super cute. Handy too, for when I need to send people cards, which I keep forgetting. Oh, and there's another card. Oh, my moon and my stars. That is so cute. It's a little rose gold metallic right in there, and then you've got all your moons around it, and they're blank inside, so you can write whatever message you want. I love that. They are so cute. my favourite part of stationery. A little notebook. You can't go wrong with a little notebook. This one's got dotted pages. Oh, I can make a little bullet journal. If I had the patience. Instead, I just have this big thing for a bullet. I say bullet journal. It's actual diary. It holds a lot more information, I think, than this little one would. But this is so cute. There is a possibility I'm going to be doodling and playing dot to dot. Oh, that'd be good. I can make dot to dot designs. Don't know how, because I think I need different place dots. But yes, this is beautiful. It's sort of like a very olivey, minty green. I know that they're two different greens, but it is that sort of tone. It's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Oh, it's so pretty. What is this? Oh, there's like loads of envelopes. Oh, they are so nice. They're cream envelopes with the oh dear on the back, which is the people that make. I think oh dear is the people that make the Papergang box itself. But yeah, so the artist would have done those little stars at the bottom and maybe the little leaves above the oh dear. But oh, that's so cute. I like them. Oh, I could use them. So far, as we all know, everything's useful. Yay! Ooh, what's this one? Oh, then I got a little month card. Oh, that's cute. I mean, I can keep track then of, if I'm counting towards it, I can tick off the weeks till when something is. Or for whatever appointment I've got, I can put it on my wall for that particular month and see what we're doing. I like that. That is cute. But yeah, it's got all these little stars on again. And it says month and yeah. Oh, that's just cute. Oh, this is so adorable. What is this? Oh, last item. Oh, it's a letter set. So that'll go with the letters, with the envelopes. Has it got anything on the paper? Oh, it has. So the paper's like a pinky shade, so it's lined. But it's got these little illustrations here. Oh, that's just so sweet. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, I love that. Oh, I've been after a letter set for a while because I've run out of my last one. But that's so nice. Have I got anything else in here? Nope, just for wishful thinking and some nice black what's the word? What is thy word? Tissue paper. Alright. I can use this for my flowers. I might do a black rose. Oh, that'd be so pretty for Halloween. Black roses. That's happening. I'm going to put that box over there. Oh, that was a cute box. And I can't wait now for next month because I'm going to show you again. I've become addicted. But let's have a look at the little brochure they sent us. So yeah, so it came with 3 stamps and an ink pad, washi tape, an A6 stitch notebook, which was that little green one, the A5 letter set, and 2 greetings cards. So that's cute. And it was a girl called Jessica Forgy who was the artist / illustrator for this month. And it gives you a little bit of information about her. Has she got any? Let's see. I'm just seeing if she's got any socials. I might link them below if there aren't any here. But they are. Oh, you've got a lover already. Look, she's got a cat. Who does not love a cat? Apart from my cat, Zelda, she hates cats. She's bobbing her head. I don't know if you can hear a bell, but that's Zelda. But oh, that's so cute. Oh no. At the back they show you other other boxes they've got. So they've got an artful one, maybe in the future. Oh, but I've just got really into gardening, and now they've got a subscription box called Plant Obsessed. No, I don't. I'll stick to the plants I've got, and if I don't kill them within the next month, then we'll consider this at a later date. But that's just so cute. That box, oh, it was so cute. And I love stationery. Don't know if you can tell, but I love stationery. So yeah, that was pretty awesome. I cannot wait for next week. Next month. Yeah, I think it arrives roughly about the 12th of each month. I kind of wish it was a bit sooner, but it's the 12th of each month, and I think it was about £14 per box, which at the moment is the only subscription box I'll be able to do, but eventually I hope I can do a lot more, because who doesn't love a nice little treat coming through the mail, and hopefully end up getting one, getting more than one, wait, what? To get one more than once a month would be brilliant. To get multiples once a month, that's where I think I'm going. But anyway, yes, I hope you enjoyed this little village. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I'm sorry it's not been too long this time, but please keep an eye out. I've got quite a few coming up. So yes, thank you for watching. Make sure that you've subscribed, click like, and leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!